Washington homeowners often face unique challenges when it comes to maintaining comfort, efficiency, and architectural integrity. From changing weather patterns to diverse home styles, not every window solution fits every home. That's where custom windows stand out. While standard window options can work in some cases, custom windows offer tailored solutions that deliver long-term value, enhanced comfort, and design flexibility. For many Washington homes, investing in custom windows is well worth the cost. Designed to fit your home, not the other way around. One of the biggest advantages of custom windows is precision. Many Washington homes, especially older or architecturally distinctive properties, have window openings that don't match standard sizes. Custom windows are built to exact measurements, ensuring a perfect fit. This eliminates gaps, reduces drafts, and creates a clean, seamless look that standard windows often can't achieve. Improved energy efficiency through better sealing. Energy efficiency depends heavily on how well windows seal within their openings. Even small gaps around poorly fitting windows can allow air and moisture to enter. Custom windows are designed to fit precisely, which improves sealing and insulation. For Washington homeowners, this means more consistent indoor temperatures and reduced strain on heating and cooling systems. Better performance in Washington's climate. Washington's climate often includes cool temperatures, frequent rain, and varying humidity levels. Custom windows can be built with materials and glass options specifically suited to these conditions. From moisture-resistant frames to advanced glazing options, custom windows help Washington homes stay comfortable and protected year-round. Preserving architectural character. Many Washington homes feature unique architectural elements that standard windows may not complement. Custom windows allow homeowners to maintain original design details while upgrading performance. Whether it's matching historic trim styles or maintaining distinctive window shapes, custom options preserve character without sacrificing modern benefits. Enhanced comfort and noise reduction. Custom windows can be designed with upgraded glass configurations that improve sound insulation. For Washington homes in busy neighborhoods or near roadways, this added noise reduction enhances indoor comfort and creates a more peaceful living environment. Design flexibility and personalization. Custom windows offer a wide range of design options, including frame materials, finishes, grille patterns, and glass types. Washington homeowners appreciate the ability to tailor windows to their personal style and the home's overall design, creating a cohesive and intentional look. Long-term durability and value. Because custom windows are built specifically for your home, they often experience less stress and wear over time. For Washington residents, this durability means fewer issues, reduced maintenance needs, and a longer lifespan, making custom windows a smart long-term investment. Professional installation maximizes results. Custom windows require skilled installation to ensure they perform as intended. Professional installers understand how to integrate custom products into existing structures. This expertise ensures Washington homeowners receive the full benefits of their investment, from improved comfort to long-lasting performance. Increased home value and appeal. Homes with custom windows often stand out for their quality and attention to detail. For Washington homeowners, this can enhance property value and appeal, especially for buyers who appreciate thoughtful design and energy efficiency. A smart investment for Washington homes. Custom windows offer benefits that go beyond appearance. With precise fit, improved efficiency, tailored performance, and preserved architectural charm, they provide lasting value. For Washington homeowners seeking comfort, durability, and design flexibility, custom windows are an investment that pays off in both everyday living and long-term satisfaction.